Hi, I'm Kelly McKelvey, Director of Communications for NESPA. I know everybody's making their plans this year for the Pool and Spa Show, and I wanted to share with you what will be happening this year at the Wall. Located right on the show floor, this year the Wall will include 6 new live learning experiences, including tile pool renovation, automation, heater repairs, concrete pool construction, and so much more. Also new this year, we're excited to offer an Ask the Experts area. We're bringing together industry experts to answer all your questions, everything from grounding and bonding to hydraulics and everything in between. Come with your questions and get the answers you need. The best part, visiting the Wall is completely free for every member of your team. All you need to do is register for a show badge at thepoolspashow.com and come out and join us. I hope you make time to visit the Wall while you're at the show. I'll see you there.